Hey guys, so it's lunchtime right now and I decided just to make a quick and easy rice bowl. It's basically just simple white rice, and then with like, I made a vegetable stew. So I'll show you guys. Follow me. And so it's just vegetables thrown together. It has kale, lentils, carrots, corn, and chickpeas. And then I have this rice cooking. This is what I season it with. It's just plain jasmine rice, and then I season it with garlic salt and turmeric. Just a little bit of this turmeric because a little bit goes a long way, and you just want to use a little bit of that. So I'm just gonna cover. So I'm just gonna cover it for about 15 minutes until the rice soaks up all the water. Yummy. Oh my god, this smells so good. Fage. Okay guys, it's snack time. So usually I get hungry between lunch and dinner. I get a major sweet tooth. So for Valentine's Day I made these vegan chocolate chip cupcakes for my family. So I'm gonna have one of these. They're not that big. Okay guys, so for dinner, I'm going out with my sisters. We're gonna go to Veggie Grill. Hands down, my favorite place to eat. Like, amazing food. Say hi to my sister! You guys, so... just let me get in the car. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat there. Okay, I'll just explain to them like how many times, like how much we love Veggie Grill. It's like literally the best.
There every weekend and sometimes on weekdays, as you can tell by today.
Yeah, we love it. So, like they literally have dessert, sandwiches, salads, burgers, fries, chicken wings, like, and they're good. It's not like, oh, this is kind of terrible. So I'll show you guys what I get.